with that motherfucking thing on me. I call the shots, I'm your big homies, big homie. Money phone jump, I got the money waiting on me. Niggas broke, sneak this and guess they hating on me. Run around with that motherfucking thing on me. I call the shots, I'm your big homies, big homie. Money phone jump, I got.
You got on your list station name.
Got a city.
Got on the right.
What happened?
Black Rain, Rain Man, Natty. No lyrics, Bolo still my logo.
Yeah, let's go. You ain't say Alicia.
Don't stop that day, I got the corn. Here's the tail. Hold it down, respected battlers. I'm going first. Black Rain going first. Shots fired. Bang, bang. As soon as I walked in the room, it was Silence of the Lambs. And this is what y'all handle. You're still gonna leave us the GOAT. And every real GOAT then had to take an L. Being the G first, well, that's what leads me to glow. Breakfast. No. The most important meal of the day. And I can tell you missed it. You look a little weak in the throat. To be honest, I came to paint the walls with you. Ironic? Every cold-blooded murder needs a new coat. Bang rolls. You and this bitch fucked. If I squeeze this fatal, get your ribs cooked. But for me to kill your seeds is shameful. So before I black, I'm telling the kids book. That's reading Rainbow. We ain't the same, ho. We ain't the same, ho. This type of thug forward. You can try me from any angle. You're still gonna get the same picture in memory of mourning. The promotion for this battle was razzle dazzle. It should have been a flood warning. You think only God can judge you? I beg to differ. And you gonna beg me, nigga, when this Taurus is the judge fool. Ghost, what you got in your arsenal? What you gonna hit me with? Boom! Man, I just studied your squad down to the letter. And I line your circle up if they give me the cue. You don't buck shells, all you got is ducktails. You launch pad. Your tool in the car stash, haul ass. But you gonna take an L trying to get to the beat. I'm in my Louis Vuitton bag. Who's your comrade? Who's your comrades? What y'all put on rags and scream gang gang? It's all bad. Pussy, if I get you, we all get you. Gang gang. Stay out of Rain Lane. You get bodied by who I body. You the victim's victim. I'm what you get when mixing Gary Coleman and Dwayne Wayne. I'm different. Divine intervention, listen. That's how you got here. They say fear no man but God. I ain't God. I believe God's here. I mean, think about it. When I was little and it started to drizzle, grandmother told me that's the Lord crying. Those are God tears. Well, then I had an epiphany. Ain't no mystery. I go by rain. I am God tears. I slide through. Dripping. Niggas tripping saying I'm a rob dude. Try to. Man, if I had a nickel for every time I roll, as a matter of fact, I do. As a matter of fact, I do. You better be dog-proof, bring a meat on who I dissect next. In each palm I squeeze arms without the bicep flex. Lead wrong, I head knock a hemorrhage's brain. Then I hit his thigh next. Yes, you can die from a leg shot. I hit the femoral vein to see if you can sidestep that. I will walk down on you and you're with us at my own leisure, gripping both heaters. Take a shot. If he miss, he won't be able to stand the rain against this window neither. This shit goes neither. This little blade I got, that's my guy. Little handsome freak. Oh, that's corny? Regardless, this nigga horny. It's been a minute since he had some cheeks. I'm weak. Hey, I'm weak though. Hey, you are a bitch. I can tell it by your aura. I repeat, hey, you are a bitch. I'm just spelling out your aura. The whore The horror. After this battle, that's what you're gonna be battling about. What the fuck is a black ghost? A shadow, it makes sense. You're gonna lose this round without a shadow of a doubt. I came to break your pride. I came to break your pride. Vibes, good or bad, I see through the lies. Careful who you let in your personal space. Because when it's a box room, that's the personal space that you're gonna be inside. You niggas better be conscious. You can sleep when you die. I draw heat from inside. Next time you hear stay woke, it'll be the paramedics trying to keep you alive. Bottom line, don't quit your day job. Not even your side job. You ain't nothing but another square getting washed in the cycle. You a Tide Pod, sniper rifle, tripod. I get a range between the curtains. My aiming ain't perfect, but I set the scope and let it go. It ain't even working. I'm big comfortable. I'm big comfortable. Black Rain, first Ghost. My bad. Black Ghost. What the fuck was the fuss about? What the fuck was the fuss about? They say, well, don't kill you only makes you stronger. So for me, if you don't die, it doesn't count. Right?
Run around with that motherfucking thing on me. I call the shots, I'm your big homies, big homie. Money phone jump, I got the money waiting on me. Niggas broke, sneak this and guess they hating on me. Run around with that motherfucking thing on me. I call the shots, I'm your big homies, big homie. Money phone jump, I got
Nice. Fuck that 1T shit.
Nigga, I got 30 plus battles. So the shit you said, it didn't move me. The paranormal. But with a blade, I can poke you. Man, this shit isn't a scary movie, but we here for the paper. And you getting smoked by the line like here's a doobie, old school. Nigga, you can get 8 by the 50. I gin and juicy. With different things. And this battle rap shit, you gotta get it. Some niggas straight from the mud, no pocket pissing. Other backpack niggas, they rap about hieroglyphics. Then it's me, a gun, M&M's. Nigga, you gon' get the win in the end like Lotto spit and the vets walking. The vets walking. They said the ghost to kill him and death note him. The same artists that changed on the characteristics. I'm Seth Rogen, but listen, cousin.
Damn, that's how you feel, son?
But listen, cousin, I ain't really dealing with no bad mouth. Max out, it'll register. I'll let it ring till it cash out for real. If I'm making it flip, it'll backs out. 13 feet in the trap, ghost making it look like a glass house sideball. A lot of ghost flips really be drag routes, so I exorcist them after my exorcism. Cause if ghost touch your body, watch how I turn heads after I spaz out my pack biscuits. I pack biscuits. Domestic violence and slap bitches, nigga. I don't care who you with. You earn, I burn these, the max different. You see, I can walk up.
Okay.
You see, I can walk up. Dresses are none, I'm catfishing, just me. I don't need a nigga for help like black women, it's getting gory.
Okay.
It's a bunch of shooters on deck, I don't even gotta spit the 40 or send a text. The point is, if ghosts write it, they spit it for me, a good ball. Good ball. I line them well. Niggas don't connect my dots because I write in braille, this rounds everything. Don't think it's rap when I'm dead at this cat's neck. He on Orion's belt, I load the Thule. Dog, it never leave my hip and play the role of Scooby. Ratchet in front of the ghost. I know it. I load the Thule. Dog, it never leave my hip and play the role of Scooby. Ratchet in front of the ghost. I don't need Molly to let it mold into me, my grip the chrome. Don't talk about your Excalibur, the shit's in stone with Ghost Snoop. I leave fire. I grip the chrome. Don't talk about your Excalibur, the shit's in stone with Ghost Snoop. As a youngin', I always been near death. The kid played around the hood. I'm Billy and Mandy. I don't play. I treat your bitch like some cheap ass liquor in Bombay. I ain't shit. It's a ridiculous. I can raise the metal at y'all way, nigga. You get around by the Smith, oh, you'll be fucked up. Like check out the feng shui. I kill niggas. I kill niggas. The price go up per body. It's all day. You hear, nigga? Oh yeah, I'm a dead killer. No funny shit. I can 86 a comic. I'm Fred Willard. I'm so flawless. And bro, garbage. This ass kicking is warranted, but still I prolonged it for real. I mean, I'm serious, pimping like Joe's charges. It's gonna sit.
Run around with that motherfucking thing on me. I call the shots, I'm your big homies, big homie. Money phone jump, I got the money waiting on me. Niggas broke, sneak this and guess they hating on me. Run around with that motherfucking thing on me. I call the shots, I'm your big homies, big homie. Money phone jump, I got.
Rain, you used to be the man, I'm told. That ain't the killer. I never was a man, I was more like an alien watching my plans unfold, but silence is gold. Duct tape is silver. Y'all should shut the fuck up, cause I ain't never been a fan of gold. Boom! I say what I want when I want. I ain't biting my tongue. Right from the jump, you can think you got your whole life ahead of you, baboon. But with 30 and a half moon, right, the night is still young. It's levels to this shit. It's levels to this shit. And from here on out, I am the level. The devil told me a storm was coming. I said, I am the storm. And that gave a nigga chills, because I am the devil. You in hell now. And ain't no holy grounds or holy water for this light match. Baby boy, listen. You were back before Jody turned around with the back. You ain't got no choice but to fight back. All of that hype, right? You gonna do what? You too pumped up. I can't fucking lose. Every round is a W. Literally. Who want what? Enough's enough. Enough's enough. Fun fact about me. I fell in love with my first knife. I'll fuck your slut on the first night and give you butterflies in your stomach, but it ain't love at first sight. You look like the type. You look like the type that run off with Pac Thug. You that thug? Black snub. Try it, sport. Life support. Let me see you run off on that plug. I got wordplay, but I don't play with words. You niggas bird prey, and this eagle prey on birds. Jesus rose on the third day, thinking you could do the same's absurd. If death come in three, bah, bah, bah. You fought, because this is threesome and this 38 reserved. Hey, the nerve of you rappers. My life wasn't no beach chill with pelicans in the sky. Shit, if I was an animal, I'd be a camel. Because I walk with my head down, stay with the desert to survive. You know, earth, air, fire, water. You know them 4 elements if you wise. But I'm from the hood, my nigga. I love to creep up without doing it. There ain't nothing stronger than the element of surprise. You niggas fly. You niggas fly. Slow walk this nigga. I'm slow walk this nigga. You niggas proud. Acting like I ain't showed you the ropes. And how never to get a tie unless I want you to choke. Let's go. I don't respect your hustling. From here on out, you gotta go through gold. I mean, you only live online. Without the internet, you nothing. You a Roku remote. Nigga, I'm dope. You run up on me, get you in your man engine. I hop out the van with it. Big chop. Split your block. I don't care if you white or not. You gonna say, damn, ninja. If a person is a damn splinter, that'd be me. Cause I wish a nigga would rub me wrong. Okay. If life If life a bitch.
Nigga, man, what?
Like, that's just cloudy. That's just. If a person was a damn squirrel, that'd be me. Because I wish a nigga would rub me wrong. If life's a bitch for you, she's a transgender. Basically, it's about to get ugly for him. This battle, 3-0. Easy though. A finger roll. You win, nobody's persuadable. Behind me, the body with a shiny, a positive ID is the only thing debatable. I'm a motherfucking monster. I said what I said. When I was a kid, monsters didn't hide under my bed. They hide inside my head, and y'all just let them out. Y'all just let them out. As soon as you put me on this card to get rid of me. For reasons like that, I'm too clever with it. Because the definition of this card is to get rid of, see? Like that'll work. Like that'll work. Before a rapper, I was a savage first. That'll let everything in the ladder burst and put your brain matter everywhere like Black Lives Matter shirts. Niggas knew I was gonna spank you. I do what you can't do. I move where you can't move. After this, you ain't welcome nowhere, even when you say thank you. Black Rain versus a ghost. My bad. Black Ghost, what the fuck was the fuss about? What don't kill you only makes you stronger, my nigga. So for me, if you didn't die, it doesn't count.
Run around with that motherfucking thing on me. I call the shots, I'm your big homies, big homie. Money phone jump, I got the money waiting on me. Niggas broke, sneak this and guess they hating on me. Run around with that motherfucking thing on me. I call the shots, I'm your big homies, big homie. Money phone jump, I got.
Hey, yo! You said the night is still young. Right. Woo. And my nigga, that was my favorite line. You got it wrong. So with the little arm you do, so push your shit back like it's daylight saving time. I said, do y'all believe in a parallel universe? Cause I do. For real. Who fucking with me? I mean, ain't it ironic how the metal will leave Rain a part of a gutter city? I mean, I move proper. Make a sound. Cough, he getting put on ice. I'm making a cool out of the two-shot ya. With the machine, I run down on Rain. I'm storm watchers. I aim away. Off that. Mary J, if you don't oblige, it be a rainy day. I'm strapped waiting. I'm strapped waiting. Closed casket, sibling down. The way they had the racist, they couldn't believe it was blackface. I rap with ease. I rap with ease. A kill shot. I had your family in matching tees, ratcheting every time I get suited. No, I ain't crazy. It's Vietnam babies. Yeah, I'm black and needs the brother race. The gunner race. What you know about the gunner race? What you know about finishing every piece of your food and still getting them hunger pains? You want violence? It's called Thomas. Cause when I'm done, all they found was summer rain. I ain't playing. I ain't clear. It's ghosts. You can't kill something that ain't there. My claws put a red beam on everything. I ain't clear. It's ghosts. You can't kill something that ain't there. My claws put a red beam on anything close to who right there with. My claws put a red beam on anything close to who right there and leave them critical. It ain't nothing to get rid of. Hell metal to the side of his face. Do y'all hear me? It's John Henry. Oh, it's ludicrous on what I did to you, big man. And leave them critical. It ain't nothing to get rid of you. Hell metal to the side of the stage. Do y'all hear me? It's John Henry. Oh, it's ludicrous on what I did to you. Dig that. Bitch nigga ransom and got his kid snatched my car. It'll get dark for what I bitch black. Knife in him. What? Knife in him. PUA scamming. I get to swipe with him. Y'all believe me? Fuck do you mean? You can tell it in green. It's easy to move through black when you got night vision, your rat stink. Yo, rat stink, your penmanship's a reality show. We watch you to look at black ink as gun.
Run around with that motherfucking thing on me. I call the shots, I'm your big homies, big homie. Money phone jump, I got the money waiting on me. Niggas broke, sneak this and guess they hating on me. Run around with that motherfucking thing on me. I call the shots, I'm your big homies, big homie. Money phone jump, I got.
On some real shit, I'm a spiritual type nigga. I just want everybody to know that. And I'm not making this up when I say, like, last year around this time, I saw demons. After that, I had to get my life together, pay some church tithes. You said your name is Ghost. Something that ain't there. You assume that I ain't looking with my third eye. Oh my God. Let's go. Cold. Just a little different. I spit facts. You also said something about pitch black. Come on, man. I go by black right. It's time to dump the body. We know exactly where the pitch black. You hear me? Hey. Real shit though? It's cute. Every fucking round I leave Earth. I mean, you do too, but me first, and it's with each verse. With you. I mean, you do too, but with me, it's with each verse. With you, it's, they better go check on your peeps, work? Yeah. Paul Bear's got to be exhausted. His coffin keeps getting rehearsed. His coffin keeps getting rehearsed. You should have did your research. Not just YouTube, I mean Google. With me, shit get more than brutal. The fans came to see blood. Now y'all want me to give them a break. But it's a break without his noodles. Oh, man. I came to wild on him. I couldn't pull up with the crowd folk. And you get stumped out tonight by like 5,280 feet. That's loyalty. My niggas willing to go the extra mile for it. It's a tragedy if you like. The 30 shells look like Duracells. You can't keep that same energy. Well, let me put the battery in your back. Nigga, rap. Hey, let me rap. Y'all let that nigga talk. If I ain't God tier of this new Midwest movement, y'all sleeping. Same way I catch this nigga in his whip, seat back, bass beating. He couldn't even hear me over the music, creeping. He's singing. I love my girl back. Bow, call him on the weekend. Call him on the weekend. Wicked games. Fuck name flips. Fuck trying to flip his name. I flip his whip into a different lane. And if Nationwide is on the side, bang, they get the same. This shit insane. For multiple reasons. One being the horrible reaches. And you thought you was just gonna show up and walk all over it. Only man that ever walked on water was Jesus. Jesus.
That's one.
Jesus, I'm tormented. Hey, give me the room. Jesus, I'm tormented. Nowadays, niggas don't know they roll. Battle rap done turned into one big Chipotle bowl. We got a lot of corns in it. I was born with it. But this shit on my hip, you can't get through the womb. But if you don't want to see the baby come out, I suggest you get my delivery room. I suggest you get my delivery room. Don't small talking. It's dark outside. Bats clapping. Dogs barking. You know the vibes. He can't get that dog off him. What y'all thought I was gonna do with the underdog? Dog walk. What y'all thought he was gonna do with the goat? A God offering? You doing the most. Look. You hit rock bottom. And then no rock climbing gonna get you out of there. The rock climbing on top too heavy. I stay dangerous. Box you ready. You thought you was sick? Until you ran into the urban legend, Dr. Seppi. How you want? Chopper desert. Doesn't matter. Either way, I can blast in the flash. Body bag, zip his ass. That bitch you with, get mad? Worst day to get salty. Should have been Mrs. Dash. This nigga gas. This nigga gas. You see the fire in my eyes? You was just trying to be live. What's the verdict? Was it worth it? Was it worth it? Now you dying inside. Take it further, I make it murder. I put my guys on your high. It hit different when a nigga asks you how you been, and you say, I'm just trying to survive. My advice to you, go put the album out, drop some shit on Spotify. Because from here on out, I spare nothing. You can't even rap with your natural hair color. Translation, everybody gotta die. Knock the niggas off on my radar clean, shot fired with the night vision goggles. Everything coming through is AR green. Oh, what in the fuck? They ain't sleep. It's Black Ghost. And what the fuck is the fuss about? They said if you don't die, it doesn't kill you. It only makes you stronger. So for me, if you ain't die, it doesn't count. Right.
With that motherfucking thing on me. I call the shots, I'm your big homies, big homie. Money phone jump, I got the money waiting on me. Niggas broke, sneak this and guess they hating on me. Run around with that motherfucking thing on me. I call the shots, I'm your big homies, big homie. Money phone jump, I got.
Hey yo!
Fight back.
The Chipotle line was fire. Shit was real. You still got it wrong, my nigga. Cause even if there is a lot of corns in it, you still get chicken out of it with the mill. I mean, I might have set up. But I hear the fan. Make a move, I hear any advance is native. How the peace control ring like an Indian dance when I bought to custom. When I bought to custom, the metal stay on my hip. The kick's stupid, I Forrest Gump him, and y'all had a nerve to bring me black. When I brought to custom, the metal stay on my hip, the kick's stupid, I Forrest Gump him, and y'all had a nerve to bring me black Raymond? Like I ain't the king? So more's coming, nigga. I can pack house. I can pack house with extra iron. You not electrifying. And what I generate, a shot can light up a block and flat out, nigga. Try me. Hey. Okay. Nigga, try me. Dead up. My aura resembles zombies. But what y'all rule got him killed. Every bullet's a murder ink. They tried to put rain on me. I ain't Ashanti. you bitch. No, not even there yet. He can't fuck with me. Load the mag till it fly, until it tick on dog. I aim comfortably, you bitch. I caterpillar shit back. Silent City, the yellow black. Cold bumblebee, you fucking sleep. Lou, the bag was enough. A box for you becomes a luxury. I'm outside, boss. If I spray it off, cuz Cincinnati been bugging me. Who's joking? Who's joking? Coating the skin like smooth lotion. I'm too potent. The two smoking. If I buck it, it'll catch rain. Left with his roof open. What's up? This plate ain't enough. I need dinner. I cook shit, plus the heat stay low. It's on simmer. I damage things. I damage things. Scope on a rifle. I got a damn good aim. It's my window. You're right. I won't miss you in the bag. I can't stand the rain. I switch flows. Yeah, I tick, bro. Heat, I grip those. 19 and 145 is not a zip code. If I get in the trance, if I get in the trance, it's all the body, straightforward. Nigga, I sub-zero, high score peon, smoke. If I put the metal round rain, it'll show you a carbon copy. You line with Satan. You line with Satan. I'm that extra step before you make it to heaven. I trauma patients. I'll leave them in the back of the trunk. You line with Satan. I'm the extra step before you make it to heaven. I trauma patients. I'll leave you in the back of the trunk. You get the crack and whip like dominatrix street shit. You lie with Satan. I'm the extra step before you make it to heaven. I trauma patients. I'll leave you in the back of the trunk. You get the crack of the whip like dominatrix street shit. I'll slide on rain. We hydroplane in a bullet through it. I'll put his brakes on his plumage if he had his mind racing. A lift of the hand, literally. A sentence a nigga to death like sign language. I'm so flawless. And pro garbage. This ass kicking was warranted, but still I prolonged it for real. I mean, I'm serious. Pimping like Joe's charges is Gutter City.
Nobody go outside, you ain't letting y'all back in anyway.
Run around with that motherfucking thing on me. I call the shots, I'm your big homies, big homie. Money phone jump, I got the money waiting on me. Niggas broke, sneak this and guess they hating on me. Run around with that motherfucking thing on me. I call the shots, I'm your big homies, big homie. Money phone jump.